Welcome, my friends, to this guided meditation for letting go and relaxing into a restful state. I am so glad you are joining me here and taking this time for yourself. Before we begin, make sure you take care of all your needs so that you do not disrupt your relaxed state later. When you are ready, lie down in a comfortable position and let your arms rest gently by your sides and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through an open mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale. Letting go of the day. The day is done. You cannot go back in time and change anything. Let your breath return to its natural state. There's nowhere to be right now. Nothing to do. This is your time to rest. And as you're focusing on your breathing in and breathing out, gently bring awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your body against the bed. Notice the parts of your body that are touching the mattress. Feel how the mattress supports you. There's no need to hold yourself up. You are completely supported. Now bring attention to your feet. As you're breathing in and out, let them relax. Now your legs, breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Release any tension you may be holding. Let go. Move your awareness to your hips. Breathe in. Relax the muscles around your hips as you breathe out. Breathe in. Feel your lower back relax. Let the muscles melt into the bed. Let each breath soften you a little bit more. Moving up to your chest and shoulders. If there's any tightness, imagine it loosening with each exhale. Moving down your arms to your hands and your fingers. Make sure they're not clenched. Breathe in. Relax as you breathe out. Moving back up your arms to your shoulders and then to your neck and your jaw. Let your mouth relax. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth as you breathe out. Soothe the space between your eyebrows. Let your whole face soften. And let your thoughts begin to slow. Just let them drift through your mind like clouds drifting across the sky. You don't need to chase them or change them. Just watch them come and go. And if you find yourself focusing on a thought for too long, bring your attention back to your breath. Focus on your breathing. And notice how it feels as you're breathing in. Air in through your nose, filling your lungs. And notice how it feels as it exhales from your body. As you breathe in, feel a sense of peace entering. And as you breathe out, release any leftover tension. Inhaling peace, exhaling, letting go. Inhaling calm, exhaling tension. Now, imagine a warm, gentle light beginning at the crown of your head, slowly moving down your face, and wherever it touches you, it brings comfort and warmth and a sense of calmness. As the light travels across your forehead, your muscles relax. As it travels down your face, gently caressing your cheek, it brings you peace. And as the light slowly moves down your body, you feel yourself drifting deeper into rest, deeper into stillness. Just breathing in and out. And let yourself float here for a while in the calm, in the quiet, in the safety of this moment. You are safe. You are supported. You are loved. You are forgiven. You are enough. You are safe. You are protected. You are loved. You are enough. Let sleep take you when it's ready. And if thoughts return, just come back to your breath and focus on the breathing in and out. Back to the rhythm of your natural breath. Back to the stillness. Back to the peace. Back to the rest. And as the light slowly moves down your body at night, you feel yourself drifting deeper into rest, deeper into stillness. Just breathing in and out. And let yourself float here for a while in the calm, in the quiet, in the safety of this moment. You are safe. You are supported. You are loved. You are forgiven. You are enough. You are safe. You are protected. You are loved. You are enough. Let sleep take you when it's ready. And if thoughts return, just come back to your breath and focus on the breathing in and out. Back to the rhythm of your natural breath. Back to the stillness. Back to the peace. Back to the rest. Good night.